Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a highly requested video. I asked on Instagram what kind of makeup routine you guys want to see from me, and majority of you guys said you want something easy, you want something quick, you want something natural. The key to achieving this look is to make sure that whatever your essential 5-minute makeup products are, to have them all together in a small little kit and have them in front of you. आपके सामने वो चीजें होंगी, कम चीजें होंगी, तो it'll be very easy for you to do like a quick makeup routine. This is my natural go-to everyday kind of makeup that I can easily do within 5 to 6 minutes. And I will also show you guys an optional few things that you guys can do if you have like 10 minutes to do the makeup. So let's get started. The very first thing I'm going to do is Balm Shelter Tinted Moisturizer. Cool, I like it because it's really light on your skin, but it gives you a lot of coverage surprisingly. I use it just because of the glowy kind of effect it gives. Use it just like moisturizer on my skin. Don't forget the neck. I'm going to take some MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in NC25. I'm going to just use this brush a little bit on my forehead and around my lips. We're going to go ahead and use the Beautyblender. You want to make sure you do it in a dabbing motion. You don't want to blend too hard, otherwise all of the product will come off. The most essential part of any makeup routine, I feel, is the eyebrows. And I'm going to be using my Anastasia Brow Wiz in Ebony. And then if I do come in the center, I'll lightly just do very light strokes that go upwards, and then maybe one line over here that makes everything look balanced. You want to make sure you don't get too involved in making your brows look exactly alike, because remember, they are sisters and not twins. This is like my holy grail product right here. This is the Body Shop Lip and Cheek Velvet Stick. I take a little bit and apply it to my lips. And take the same thing, use it on my cheeks in upward motions. And it gives you like this really nice, fresh, natural, dewy, and what is this look called? I don't even know. But it gives you a nice look. When I'm in a rush, I like to use it on my eyes a little bit. जो भी कलर आप अपने लिप्स पे इस्तेमाल करते हैं, अगर वो थोड़ा सा आप अपनी eyes पर भी लगा लें, तो you get like a really nice and fresh look. I'm gonna add some stuff to my eyes so I look like I'm awake. So I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to use the color Buck from the Naked Eye palette, and I am going to just add it to the crease of my eyes just to give a little bit of depth. Okay, next I'm going to be adding a brown liner to my eyes to give like a nice smoky liner look. So I'm going to take this pencil and very roughly kind of just draw out your liner. You don't want to be too perfect about the whole thing. Blend it upwards. And it kind of works like a shadow and an eye color at the same time. It's really cool. So you just kind of line the eye and then you blend upwards. And add a little bit at the bottom. Why do we do that when we're applying liner or mascara? I don't know why we do that. Do the same on the other eye. Obviously, you're not going to do something different on the other eye. If you're wondering about my nails, I recently went to a salon and I got my manicure done. And they had this new OPI Chrome Effects, and I got the Mixed Metals color. It looks really different in every kind of lighting. Like, I have some photos of it on my Instagram, which you guys can check out. My favorite part of my entire makeup routine, the mascara. Oops, hate when that happens. And as you notice, I did not curl my eyelashes because not only did I forget, but also when you are in a hurry, ain't nobody got time for that. So we can go ahead and skip that part. And now what I'm gonna do is just lightly contour my nose a bit. Just gonna use a very natural color. अगर आप बहुत जल्दी में हैं तो I would always recommend using lighter colors, using products that you can blend and fix if you mess up. Use just a regular eyeshadow brush and I'm just gonna contour the bridge of my nose. Alright. So just like that, we are done with this very nice, neutral, natural, everyday kind of makeup look, which I have confidence in you. I think you guys can do this within 5 to 8 minutes maybe. अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आप इस look को enhance करें, so I have a few optional things that you guys can do to add on to this look. The first product that I'm going to use is my brand new Eminence Organics all organic makeup, which is not bad for your skin at all. And this is actually their sun defense water resistant, which is great if you are living in a place which has really hot and humid weather like Karachi. If you obviously need sun protection, this is SPF 30. Yeah, SPF 30, which is more than enough for our skin tone. So I'm gonna use it two ways. One, as a powder to kind of give my skin a more matte look, and second, as my sun protection. So what you do is you kind of just go like this and use it on your skin. This is amazing. It's the first time I'm using it, but I love it. So this also comes in a translucent shade, so if you're not sure what color you should use, just go for the translucent. So now I don't need any SPF. I can just use this powder to finish my look. And I have sun protection too. If you notice, I didn't contour my face. Sometimes when I'm in a hurry, I don't even bother. But if you have a little bit of time, I'm gonna use the same thing that I used on my nose, and I'm just gonna take a regular brush and just contour my face. It's like a nice natural brownish peachy tone, which is pretty flattering. Let's give it a bit on the side of my forehead. If you feel like you need a little bit more color than the lip and cheek stain that I used, then what I like to use is this Armani Lip Color, and this is a great color. This is 500. It has a really nice like velvety texture. Because right now it looks like, I look like a fish. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to line it a bit with this Luscious lip liner in number 2 Chai Latte. It's a really nice color. Last but not least, if you're feeling a little extra fancy, then you can use a highlighter. I used the MAC Soft and Gentle Mineralize Skinfinish in AB5, like this, but I just like to put it here on my cheekbones. Just blend it with your finger, and then the inner corner of my eyes, some on my chin, and ta-da! This is my easy, everyday kind of makeup routine when I am in a rush. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you guys have any questions, always remember to leave a comment down below using the hashtag AskHira. Make sure if you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to see more of these videos, subscribe to it right here. Let me know what else you guys want to see from me, and I will catch you guys very soon. What is that sound?